Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. Let's go to the next question, which will be, it's the fifth one. Do you wear fake eyelashes? Not all the time, but I love them. They are so beautiful and it makes it look so amazing. If it's kind of a shitty eyeshadow, when you wear false eyelashes, it just make everything like just go to another level, like higher level, everything bob. With false eyelashes, I love them so much, but for me it's kind of hard to wear false eyelashes because I have kind of a really long, really curled lashes, so it's kind of a struggle for me to wear them often. But when I like do a makeup tutorial or something, I just love wear fake eyelashes. They are amazing. Or I just apply multiple coats of like mascara if I want to go more natural look. But if I want to go bold and do something like very dramatic, I just go for eyelashes. I love them and I used to them. I remember when I first wear them, it was so heavy on my eye, but after that I get used to them. So I love them. I don't wear them all the time, but I love wear false eyelashes. So this is for this video. So let's go for the next one in the next video, and I'm going to see you soon. Bye.